And one of my favorite oils is rose. And you'll see big pink rose. I have roses in my garden. My favorite flower is a rose, and sweet peas and lilies, but I love a rose. This rose actually has quite a nice smell. Can I take it out? I like the smell of roses, I do. And pink is my favorite color. So there's a note of it that's similar, but remember that's concentrated. It's not the same plant, and it hasn't grown in the same place. Your soil has a lot to do with what happens to your essential oil when it is. So rose essential oil is one of your most expensive essential oils. It costs anything from 600 Rand to a litre to 10,000 Rand a litre, depending on how much is you know, where in the season you are and how much, but it's very expensive. The reason why it takes it, so I don't know if you can see how delicate and soft, and if you can imagine how light this petal is. One petal, it takes a ton of petals to make a litre of rose oil, plus minus. So that's why rose oil is so expensive. It's very expensive, but it's very fabulous. But what's awesome about rose oil, you use very little. And what it's best with is the face oil. So in a face oil, you use a lower dose and things like that. Also used with jasmine during birthing process. You can burn it with a jasmine in the thing. This is also a safe oil to rub on. Remember, the oil gets into your bloodstream, and if you use too much essential oil, it actually can go, if you're a nursing mother, it can go into your milk. A rose, because you use such a low dose, because it gets encapsulated in the oil, it's actually it's fine. Nursing mothers can use something like that, well, can use rose oil on their skin. It will help with the stretch marks, it will help with any scarring, and also gets the uterus back to where it contracts the uterus, and balancing of the hormones. And who doesn't like rose in a perfume? Not many people. There's an old perfume that all the old ladies used to use for 7-Eleven. One of the main ingredients is rose.